This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Ariel Henriquez. Fantastic opportunity to own this 1-bedroom, 1 full bathroom, on ground floor condo. Located towards the back of the complex with 1 assigned parking space and plenty of guest parking. Laundry facility is just steps away from this unit and the pool is just around the bend. The front porch area is private since there are no other units facing or next to this one in this building on one side. All flooring is ceramic tile. Huge living/dining area can accommodate good size furniture. Large master bedroom has a walk-in closet.Bathroom and kitchen recently remodeled, very well maintained, centrally located. For more information, review the details below or contact Ariel Henriquez at 813-380-0557.